Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove RoboKiller from your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open settings. Once you are in, tap on your name at the top of your screen. Then tap on subscriptions. You will see a list of apps you are subscribed to. Find and tap RoboKiller. Tap cancel subscription, confirm when asked. Your subscription is now cancelled and you will not be charged again. Next, stay in settings, scroll down and tap on phone. Then tap on call blocking and identification. Find RoboKiller in the list and turn the switch off. This stops RoboKiller from blocking or answering your calls. Now go back to the home screen, find RoboKiller app, press and hold the app. A menu will appear. Tap remove app, then tap delete app. Confirm by tapping delete again. The RoboKiller app is now removed from your iPhone. Subscription is cancelled, call blocking is turned off, and the app is deleted. This means RoboKiller is fully removed from your iPhone. And that's it. You have successfully removed RoboKiller from your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.